How to use Google AI Studio for voice generation. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is you can turn text into speech using the built-in AI tools. In general, you can do system instructions and then choose your voice, a media resolution, thinking level, and the other details if you'd like. In our case, we went with Zephyr's voice, and then what we're going to do is make a prompt that says to create some sort of voice generation. Or since we already have a model, we can just ask it to say whatever we want. So we already asked it if we can do a voice generation. We could choose our voice, our language, and any available settings like speed or style, but just go ahead and run it as so. And we did get our generated voice, and we can download it as so. So it will say this specifically like so. I don't think you can hear it since we did turn off our device volume, but that's pretty much it. We did get our generated voice. We can press on the more options and then download it as so, and then we can choose our playback speed if we want to hear it in a different way. But if you want a different one, you could do whichever kind of prompt, but that's pretty much it. If you'd like more kinds of voice generation, you could change your voice, your media resolution, and if you want to put in mind, it is somewhat free to start, but there are usage limits depending on how much you generate. Some advanced features may require API access as well, but overall, one of the easiest ways to create realistic AI voiceovers with a pretty minimal setup. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.